Most people think a Google Play gift card showing expired means the money is gone forever, but here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the card itself is not actually expired. The issue usually comes from region rules, activation delays, or redemption errors. In this video, you will learn exactly why your Google Play gift card says expired in 2026, and how to fix it step by step, so you can still recover your balance. Let's start with the most important fact. Google Play gift cards do not usually expire once they are successfully redeemed. So if Alex is seeing an expired code message, the problem is often happening before redemption, not after. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the most common causes is regional mismatch. If Jake buys a gift card in one country but tries to redeem it on an account set to another country, Google may reject it and show an expiration or invalid message. The system often confuses region errors with expiry errors. But here's the problem most people miss. Some cards are activated incorrectly at the store. If the cashier did not properly activate the card at checkout, Google will treat it as invalid or expired even if it is brand new. In this case, the issue is not on your phone, but at the point of purchase. Let's go step by step to fix it. First, double-check the code. Enter it manually instead of copy and paste. Avoid spaces before or after the code because even a single hidden character can trigger an error. Next, check your Google Play country settings. Open the Play Store, go to Settings, and look at your payments profile. If your account country does not match the card's region, that is likely the cause. Now try this simple fix that works for many users. Clear your Google Play Store cache. Go to your phone settings, open Apps, select Google Play Store, and tap Clear Cache. Then restart your device and try redeeming again. Here's another important step. Make sure your Google account is active and not restricted. If there are payment issues, policy warnings, or VPN usage, Google may block redemption and show misleading error messages. If nothing works, contact the store where you bought the card. Ask them to verify activation. If the card was never properly activated, only the retailer can fix it or replace it. So let's quickly summarize. Google Play gift cards do not usually expire when used correctly. Expired errors are almost always caused by region mismatch, activation issues, or system glitches. The good news is most of these problems can be fixed in minutes if you follow the right steps. If this helped you, like the video, comment your issue below, and subscribe for more simple fixes that actually work in 2026.